How to disable location on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to disable location on Android, what you can simply do is one of the major process is to simply drag down the status bar and simply toggle off the location option. So this will disable the location. Now next, what you can simply do is you can just go back and launch the settings application on your device. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Select on permissions and tap on permissions again. So scroll down again and here you can see the option of location. So as you can see that in terms of location, there are some apps that are given access, in some terms we are not given that access. So some apps are allowed all the time to use the location, whereas some are allowed only while in use. So you can just select whichever option and then simply you can, if you do not want to allow it, tap on don't allow and tap on don't allow anyway. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.